Siddiqui, 37, was found guilty of attempted murder and 6 other charges stemming from the shooting at a police station in the Afghan town of Ghazni in 2008. The jury of 8 women and 4 men did not find Siddiqui's acts were premeditated, however. Defense lawyers say that means her sentence will likely be a maximum of 30 or 40 years, rather than life in prison. After the verdict was read, Siddiqui, dressed in white silk hijab, protested from her seat at the defense table. "This is a verdict coming from Israel, not America," she said. "Anger should be directed where it belongs. I have testimony and I have proof." Defense attorney Elaine Sharp said that Siddiqui wanted to send a message to her defenders in Pakistan not to respond to the guilty verdict with violence.
And she expressed to me adamantly that she does not want any violence, any violent protest or any violent reprisal. That is not what she's about.
Siddiqui, who trained as a scientist at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, had interrupted her 2-week trial with several outbursts, accusing the judge of lying and addressing remarks to witnesses. Her lawyers tried to prevent her from testifying, saying that she was mentally ill after being held in solitary confinement since her arrival in the U.S., but the judge permitted her testimony, which included her denials that she ever fired a shot or was capable of violence. U.S. prosecutors presented 6 eyewitnesses, both American and Afghan, to the shooting in a small room at the police station in Ghazni. Siddiqui had been arrested the day before. U.S. investigators had arrived to question her about items reportedly found in her bag, including notes on bomb-making and a list of New York landmarks. The witnesses testified that Siddiqui, who was sequestered behind a curtain, grabbed a rifle that a U.S. soldier had left on the floor and opened fire. A U.S. soldier fired back with a pistol, wounding Siddiqui. No one else was injured, and the government presented no forensic evidence that the rifle had been fired. Siddiqui claimed that she was shot while trying to escape. She also alleged she had been tortured in a secret prison in the years before her arrest. Defense attorneys said they will likely appeal the conviction. Siddiqui is scheduled to be sentenced in the Manhattan court on May 6th. Carolyn Weaver, VOA News, New York.